Hey, today I'm just shooting some footage. I want to do some comparison video between Wi-Fi 720p and recording to the internal memory card at 1080p. This is a video I got at the park, just kind of cruising around a little bit. A lot of activity going on in the park today. Parking lot's full. This is a Wi-Fi connection, and a lot of flying around. I was just trying to maneuver, so it's going to be a little shaky. When you're adjusting altitude or making sudden turns. So I'm still a new drone pilot, so taking your time, like not always going full throttle, and it's easier to get stable pictures, but really what I'm trying to look at here is just the detail of the picture, like in the trees, like you can see the shadows. Try to get a good look at some sights here. So 720p is pretty decent. The only thing is when the Wi-Fi drops, the video will stop. And I had several issues with the Wi-Fi picture dropping, but I was still flying the drone around trying to capture the pictures. Here I get a pretty good shot of the field here. I felt kind of bad. I didn't want to be disruptive, flying the drone around. And these people are having their games and stuff, but most people at the park are just kind of relaxing. So, it just takes a feel for getting comfortable flying the drone in public places. It's kind of a thrill. I'm sure people were noticing the drone. Some things you can do, just fly higher. If you fly high, this is only about 25 meters high right here. But if you fly high, then it's hard to hear the drone, and it's not so obvious when you get to around 50 meters. So you can see how the video will lag a little bit. I was having fun flying the drone. Flying the drone's cool. The audio that you could hear in this video, which I'm now going to turn down, it's recorded from the phone. So it's the noises that are going around the phone that it will pick up. One thing I like, some models, you can see the propellers in the top corners of the video, and they've tried to address that before by adjusting the tilt, the radius, how many degrees that the camera will pivot on the 2-axis gimbal. Okay, I'm just gonna go. I wasn't getting my best video here. Well, my drone piloting skills were kind of lacking today. But I finally did get into the skate park where you could see some action going on. The video that I did with the F20 was really cool. It's cool to see the stunts that kids are doing. The skate park, people use skateboards, bikes, and rollerblades to fly around. Okay, so the video drops a little bit. Then I was kind of messing with the waypoints, but the battery was running out, so I didn't really get a chance. You could see I did in the beginning. See, my home point was like far away there. But in the beginning, I was doing the follow me. It was working good, but then I forgot to take it off the beginner mode. But the follow me was working pretty cool. But I'm gonna get a little ways up where those people are, and then it's gonna have a distance limited. A little shaky, kind of going back and forth, flying. It doesn't sense the environment, so it's not trying to avoid anything. It's just tracking me. Okay, so this is the video I got today. See, distance limited. So I'll take it off beginner mode, then go up further. But I'll eventually run out of battery. That's one thing about the F22 is the battery life is gonna go fast. So you have to work concisely to get your shots. Okay, so here we're gonna watch this video now. It's about 3 minutes. It's gonna do 2 orbits around the point of interest. I'm down there at the bottom, and so this is 1080p recording right here, and there won't be any lag from the Wi-Fi connection. So this is recording straight to the memory card, 1080p high definition. So the difference between 720 and 1080, well, one's during the daytime, this is at night. Now you can see me standing there, and there's 2 lights on me, so I got 2 shadows. And you can actually see my shadow. You can see both my shadows there at the top center. So that's pretty amazing. This is flying at 50 meters, 150 feet. Just orbiting around. I had the point of interest, not where I'm at, but it was so it was a little ways in front of me. I repositioned the drone, and it's basically this. It would basically be where the center of the screen is right about now. Is where the center, where the home, where the point of interest is. And if you want the details on how to set that up, just check out the other video I just posted. Right here, we're just looking at the video quality for 1080p at nighttime. Now the lighting, this is just like street lights outside, and the lighting at home and the complex. I feel as daytime, I'll probably have pretty good sights. So right now the drones are turning to home. And yeah, this is it's nice that the picture doesn't drop. Get a nice steady picture the whole time. And for a nighttime video, it seems pretty good. Get a good look at the detail of the grass we landed in. Okay, one last thing that I was noticing was we just watched this video here, So we watched this video, but the video that got recorded at the park during the daytime was this one. And yeah, for some reason it didn't play. I don't know. I think the file might have got corrupted because I had hit record on the app, and after I hit record on the app, at some point I hit it on the controller again too. So maybe if he tried to record twice from the app and then from the remote control, that was the only thing that I could think of that happened, where the video wouldn't play. So I'm just gonna play around with it a little bit and see if I can, if I have that problem again. So that's it for right now. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.